Hello, in front of me I've got SwitchBot Lock. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to doors. In the beginning we can use just the lock, and also you can use this adapter. We use this adapter if the touch area between doors and lock is too small. You can adjust the touch area by replacing the position of screws for this metal part. Once the position of metal part is adjusted and the touch area is still not enough because the door knob is blocking the way, you can use this adapter. This is the front side of the adapter, and this is the rear side of the adapter. If here we've got this part of the handle, metal part, that is blocking our way, stick this above it. Next, stick the lock like this. Of course, right here you need to place an adapter for key. Let's remove it for a second. And now, once we are using only this part, we can attach it like this or like this. Once it's settled, right here we've got this adapter connected here. And next we have to use these adapters. There are 8 types of adapters. In the instruction manual you've got scheme which adapter is for which type of the knob. Firstly, remove the knob on your knob cylinder. Fill the cylinder adapter onto your knob cylinder. Select thumb turn adapter of the smallest size and install it on your SwitchBot Lock. Align the center of thumb turn adapter with the axis of cylinder adapter that has been installed to the cylinder. Then stick your lock to the door surface like this. So just for example, you have to do it like this. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.